Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Ekcellent electric pressure washer, electric power washer with 5 quick connect spray tips and wand, car washer, green color. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. The 1800 watt brass motor can generate pressure 3500 psi and flow 2.5 GPM, which meets your requirements for all kinds of cleaning tasks. 35 feet cord with all listed plug provides more safety feature. 20 feet high pressure hose, water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 PCS quick connect spray tips, 0 degree, 15 degree to 5 degree, 45 degrees and soap, which is easy to store and easily handle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. You can choose the most suitable flow to clean a variety of surfaces. Multifunctional, ideal pressure cleaning solution for all type of vehicles, cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs, and homes, driveways, decks and others. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, oil, rust, and so on. It has outdoor cleaning power to make quick cleaning jobs. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.